In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy Envato shared subscription. If you want multiple people to access Envato elements under one plan, the team option is the way to go. It lets you manage seats in one place with a single invoice, which is perfect for small studios, agencies, or collaborators. Start by opening your browser and searching for Envato elements. From the home page, head to the pricing page. Before you proceed, sign in to your existing account. Being logged in first helps ensure your purchase links to the right profile and speeds up checkout. On the pricing page, look for the team option. This is the plan designed for shared access. Select it, then choose Start Now to move into the setup screen. Here, you'll configure your team plan, adjust the number of seats to match how many people need access. Seats represent individual user licenses, so set this to the exact number of teammates who will be using the subscription. You can usually modify seats later, but it's best to start with the right count. Next, choose your billing cycle. Monthly offers flexibility, while annual typically provides a lower effective rate. As you change seats or billing cycle, watch the price summary update so you know your total before checkout. Now fill out the billing information. Enter your full name exactly as it appears on your payment method to avoid verification issues. Add your company name if you're purchasing on behalf of a business. Select your country, then provide your address line, one, city, and state or province or region. Make sure the address matches the billing address of your payment method, as mismatches can cause declines. Choose your payment method. If you're paying by credit or debit card, enter the card number, expiration date, and security code carefully. It's a good idea to double check each field before submitting and ensure your card is enabled for online or international transactions if applicable. Once everything looks correct, review your plan details, the number of seats, the billing cycle, and the total amount. When you're confident it's accurate, click Complete Order to finalize the purchase. Give it a moment to process. After the payment is approved, your team subscription becomes active and you're set to go. And that's it. You've selected the team plan, configured your seats and billing, provided your billing information, chosen a payment method, and completed your order. If you ever need to adjust seats or billing later, you can manage that from your account. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your new shared access to Envato elements.